This video I will tell you that how to add a nickname on Facebook. So first of all, make sure that your Facebook application is opened up. Then you will tap on your profile image onto the top right here, and then you will tap on the gears icon onto the top right, and then you will tap on personal information, and then tap on name, and below here you will see an option. Okay, let's open it again. Tap on a name again, and here you can see add a nickname. So I will tap on this one, and name type you can like choose different types of name, but we actually wanted to add the nickname here. So then you have to just enter your name here, and then you will and make sure that this is tick, okay, like show at top of profile, and then you will tap on this save option here, and then your nickname will be changed. Okay, so guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.